If you're still throwing people at problems that AI can solve in seconds, that's not growth, it's just overhead. And you might even be proud of it because headcount feels like growth even when it's just bloat. So you've got manual processes stitched together with meetings and approvals and endless back and forth, all tasks that a single system can handle while you sleep. And that's not just inefficient, it's expensive. But because the machine isn't human, you don't trust it. So you keep paying for busy work while competitors scale on autopilot. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces waste. And the longer you pay humans to do what a system can automate, the more margin you burn.